here under the minute hand is a double star mechanism which is working here at the end at minute 60. Actually, the double star mechanism turns and it releases the minute hand to 0. So this is a system we first started to develop for Opus 5, and we continue to use and to make it further now. It's a very dry jump of the flyback mechanism. So the hand is made out of aluminium and titanium, and actually it's balanced through R-cup. So you have an R-cup counterweight which balances perfectly the whole system, and the cylindrical spiral in the very center, which also helps to be perfectly stable and balanced. So you have like two mechanisms. You have the revolving satellite complication with the 3 satellites turning and adjusting, and you have the flyback mechanism, the cage. The 3 springs around actually the revolving satellite carousel help to absorb the shock of the flyback mechanism, because if you see at 60 it's quite a lot of energy coming flyback, so we have to absorb that shock through the 3 springs. Here on that side here we have a classical power reserve 39-hour indicator on that side here, and on the other side you have an efficiency indicator which actually shows your personal activity over the last 2 hours. So it really gives you an idea about your life, your own behavior of the last 2 hours, and actually if you have been efficient, that means winning or losing power reserve. So now when it's showing slightly direction red, it means it lost a little bit of power reserve. When it goes up to green, after biking or playing something, a sport, something, or even just having an active life, it goes in green, means winning power reserve. If you have an extreme activity before you, actually you can on the back side regulate the system. So you have full efficiency, which is this one here, so actually only the small turbine is winding. You have reduced efficiency minus 20%, means both are winding. So both are turning. The bigger turbine is making a double speed movement, so that creates minus 20%. And then you have a third position stop, which actually the watch becomes manual. So it's no more winding automatically, it's now a manual watch. So you can choose after your lifestyle, after your behavior. So that's a unique system, because you have here the control and the overview of your activity of the last 2 hours.